Hello friends, welcome to IAS Kannada Vahini. As usual, KS Preliminary 2020 question on Indian Constitution continues. So today we have got one interesting question on Indian polity and Constitution. Which of the following statements are incorrect? So there are four statements. First one, any state with a president as a head has a presidential form of a government. Second, in India, the Prime Minister is final in the selection of ministers. Third, the President of America is the real executive. Fourth, veto power of the President is not real in America. Choose the correct answer. Here there are two sets of facts are there. One is presidential form of government. Another one is the Indian context, maybe like parliamentary form of government. Coming to the first one, any state with a president as a head has a presidential form of government. Generally, it may not be correct. So, means for example, in India, the president is a constitutional head. It doesn't mean that we have got a presidential form of government. We have got a parliamentary system. Whereas in the America, definitely the president is the head, real executive, and also it is a presidential form of government. Most of the nations in the world are having the president as a head. It doesn't mean that they have got a presidential form of government. It may be even parliamentary form or some adjustment with some presidential or parliamentary or like combination of these two may be there. So that's why first statement is incorrect. Second one, in India, the Prime Minister is final in the selection of the ministers. That is correct. In the parliamentary form of government, the choice of the Prime Minister is final as far as the decision or in selecting the cabinet colleagues or the council of ministers are concerned. He chooses the appropriate person, whichever or whatever you can select the decision. His decision is final. So definitely second statement is correct. Third one is the President of America is the real executive. It is correct. In the presidential form of government, when the president is directly elected by the people, he has got a lot of authority, power, and he is the real executive. He is not a nominal executive. What is the difference between nominal executive and real executive? Nominal executive is, you can say, like the Indian president. He is kind of nominal, doesn't have much power in reality. Whereas the President of America has got the real powers. The Constitution vests with him, that is of the real powers. So third one is correct. Then coming to the fourth one, veto power of the President is not real in America. That is not correct. Veto power of the President in America is real because there is a theory of separation of powers between legislature, executive and judiciary. Checks and balances are there, obviously, but he can exercise veto in special circumstances. In the question of like granting of aids, granting of financial support, etc., he has the power to veto. He has the power of veto. So therefore, the fourth statement is wrong. It is incorrect. President of America has got the veto power. So based on these analysis, we can say the first and the fourth statements are incorrect, whereas the second and third are correct. So obviously the answer will be 1 and 4. C is the answer.